Myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss about our new batch in the retail pharmacy business management. So retail pharmacy business management is one of the course which is dedicated for the retail pharmacy, and this is our since our academy started, this course is the first launch course. So we are proud that we build many entrepreneurs throughout this workshop who started their own stores in different areas of the India, and they are running successfully. So now we are discussing about the new batch in the retail pharmacy. So this batch is all about to know about retail pharmacy, how to start, how to grow, how to expand. Okay, three things we will going to cover here. So this workshop is about 9-day workshop, the duration. Then this workshop will start from this workshop is going to start from the 27th of January 2026, and the timing will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So from Monday to Friday the sessions will be there, and this is online and even offline also you can join. We have offices at Pune in Shivaji Nagar. You can definitely join from here on offline as well. So now we are going to discuss about the syllabus. So in the first class we are going to told what is the pharmacy store, how to start. Okay, this is first information, like even their opportunities and challenges, the mindset development. So in basic things we are covered in the first session. Second class is all about the location, which is the best location to start your pharmacy, which is the worst location also we are going to told. After that, the area analysis, which is the best area to start, even like how to analyze the area, how to do the market research, how to analyze the hospital's potential. So hospital analysis is also there. So this is the class number 2. Class number 3 is all about the documentation and approval process. It includes the drug license, GST, okay, food licenses, and even after that the setup process, okay, pharmacy setup process, how to set up a pharmacy. Then in the next class we are discussing about the relationship management. It is with your the people to whom you are connected, okay, like a nearby retailer, wholesaler, doctors, or even medical rep. So here we are covering the relationship management thing. Then class number 5 is all about the patient counseling, okay, then different types of the medicine, factors considering before starting the pharmacy store, then patient counseling and campaigning. Then next class is all about the software knowledge, okay, the software and the prescription handling, okay, how to read the prescription we are going to told, okay. Then the next session is all about the management. It is a profit management, then expiry management, then short book management, okay, and credit management. These all management part is going to be covered, and even the schedule medicines like registration, how to maintain the schedule register so that you can follow all FDA guidelines. We are covered here as well. Then class number 8 is all about the how to grow your pharmacy store, multiple pharmacy store, or you can take the franchisee, how to take the franchisee, which is the best franchisee we are going to told here. Class number 9, which is the last one, we are covered here the future opportunities like third party, then export, then wholesale. These are the opportunities, and apart from that, how to maintain the medicines in your store, how to place it, okay, everything we are going to told here. So this is all the complete you can say the roadmap to start your retail pharmacy journey, and this is covered in this throughout the course. So what are the benefits of this course? The first benefit is certification you will get at the end of this course. Second one, you will get the medicine list free of cost, which is now required to start your pharmacy first order medicine list. Then the next one is these classes are live, but still recording we are providing, okay, and complete mentorship, I mean free business consultation we are going to provide after this course. So we want you to start your own pharmacy journey and grow yourself. There are a lot of opportunities in the pharma business, so retail pharmacy is the first and basic opportunity. You can grab this opportunity. So some common questions: who can enroll for this workshop? Anyone who wants to start the retail pharmacy. Next one is what should be the language used in this? So it is Hindi and English as well. So as per the dependency, as per the requirement, we are going to use it. Even Marathi as well, I'm fine. Then the next one, so is this workshop is sufficient to start pharmacy? Yes, it is more than sufficient. We are building many entrepreneurs who started their pharmacy after only this workshop, not doing any practical. But yes, practical knowledge is again very important as well, but still you can start your pharmacy after this knowledge, after this workshop. Next one, am I needed any laptop for this? No, from the mobile itself also you can join, even laptop also it is fine. It depends on your need and requirement. I mean, if you have any device you can join, not an issue. So if you have any query, any doubt, just fill the Google form. Very important, you fill the Google form given in the description to know more. And if you have any query, call to this number. Now, how to enroll? The first one, the fees. This course fee is 1,999. So how to pay? In description I provided the reserve pay link. Just click over there, or you can pay online to this number 9423272876. This is our official contact number. And after payment, you just have to share your name, email, qualification, location to this number on WhatsApp. Then you will get email confirmation and added to the WhatsApp group. This is the complete admission process. If you still any query, any doubt, just call to this number, visit our website. Even you can visit our application, mobile app as well, where there are a lot of different courses also we are providing. All are enlisted there. Thank you for watching this video. If still any query, connect with us. We are there to help you. Thank you.